in my last video. Just quick snippets right quick. If you have not checked that video out, make sure that you do. It was just a quick grocery outlet haul and also what I made with some of the items that I purchased that day. So yeah, check it out, guys. Don't forget. And yes, I do appreciate each and every one of you. Please know that. For something healthy. You just got to take your mind there. That's all. Hello you all, welcome back if you're true and welcome if you are new. So I'm Opal May today, so I'm telling y'all what I'm doing today. Y'all, I'm just doing a quick meal prep for work this week. I only work 4 days, Tuesday through Friday. So I decided to, and I've done it before, show you all what I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna make 4 days of food. So if you are interested in what I'm making, or what I am going to make, I should say, stay tuned. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video, guys. Okay, so as you all can see right now, first off, thank you so much for staying tuned. Hello everybody, your girl is back. But anyway, so right now I got these like mushroom, like veggie tacos, but so that's gonna be a meal. And then I have some, oh, these might be, remember I'm using everything that I have in the fridge. Like instead of just continue to buy stuff and then there's stuff in the refrigerator and then I end up wasting it, throwing it away, I'm like, this week I'm not doing that. Although I did go to the store and pick up a few things for sure, but these might be a little freezer burnt. The Mikey's tortilla super green. So since they looking freezer burnt, I'm gonna have to use these street taco shells, tortilla shells. So that's gonna be a meal. And then so earlier today I went to the grocery outlet, which is just a store I love up here. These were $2 off, and there's nothing wrong with them other than the date is February the 15th, which is in 2 days. So I only paid 99 cents. So I'm gonna make a broccoli and cauliflower soup, add a little cheese to that. You all will get to see me do that. And then some salmon and salmon, and I made some sweet potatoes. I just boiled 2 of them instead of throwing it in the oven. So that's a meal. The salmon, the salmon, sweet potato, and then I picked up some arugula. This was $2 off as well, and it looks pretty good. Like, it looks really good. What's the date? That's February the 15th, so in 2 days. So about 3 or 4 days it should still, so this should last me throughout the week. So I'm just gonna put like a little like balsamic vinegar dressing on there. Yeah, but $2 off, and I only paid 99 cents for this. So my lunch is gonna be real inexpensive this month. I don't really eat out a lot because, you know, it's not good for us and it's so much salt. Y'all know the drill. But anyway, so I'm gonna use this for the arugula. And other than that, y'all, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be making. So continue to stay with me. I'll show you all how I paired up everything. I also bought some orzo. Hold on. I bought some orzo, so I'm gonna see what I can do with this. Not sure yet. Actually, I may make this next week, but we'll see. But anyway, y'all, just want to bring you all with me. What are y'all making for lunch? What did you have for lunch this week? What did you meal prep? I mean, meal prepping works for me. It's so much more convenient, of course, right? Because other than that, we just gonna eat whatever. And I'm trying not to do that. And excuse my raggedy nails. Y'all know my $4.99 at TJ Maxx. Let me see. They wearing out. Look at that one. They starting to look bad. These two came off, but I'm on like 3 weeks. Actually, I'm on a little over 3 weeks. So, no, I'm about 3 weeks, but they looking raggedy. I need to take them off. So $4.99 TJ Maxx. No need to pay $30 and $40 and $50 to get your nails done when you can pay $4.99. But anyway, you all, so that's pretty much gonna be some of the stuff I'm gonna make. I also have some black eyed peas on for work because I initiated Black History Month at work, so I could probably have a bowl of that one day too if there's something left. And I'm doing like a video on that as well. But let me focus. Let me make this food. Let me do everything, and when I prepare it, maybe I will do some more preparing on camera, and then I'll show you all everything I made. Okay? All right. So I'll see you guys soon. Okay. So as I said, the is it cassava tortillas? No, it was a super green spinach and I think cassava. Anyway, they were freezer burnt, so I couldn't use those. So I used the street taco tortilla shells. So here's one of the tacos, and okay, so that's what we're gonna be eating. I'll make up plenty of these. Yeah, I had to come back on camera right quick. The first thing that I made is done. Oh, I had some salmon that I cooked yesterday. I bought like a big piece, so I cooked that. So I'll probably just, actually I don't even need to warm that up. I'm not having it until tomorrow, but I'll show y'all that anyway. But this is one of my meals. It's good. Onions and bell peppers. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. That's good. Anyway, I'll be back. Let me just eat off camera because this is so good, y'all. Okay, so here's one of the meals. I already told you I got the arugula that I barely paid anything for. I put some of the balsamic vinegar on there. And then I have my salmon that I made yesterday. So I made a big piece, so a long piece. So here's some salmon. Look at that. Blackened salmon. So we're gonna put that right there, and then we're gonna add us a boiled of sweet potato. So we're gonna do a sweet potato. Oh my goodness, this is great. Let's see how we're gonna put this in there. So I'm gonna have to, you know what, let's see. So we're just gonna put it in there like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg on it. Really need a bigger bowl. You know what, let me try this. All right, so we got sweet potato, arugula, and salmon. That's one meal. We have our tacos, veggie tacos with our shells, and the broccoli is still cooking, the broccoli and cauliflower. And then I'm gonna cut up some fruit, which is papaya, and then I'll probably come back when everything is done. Hopefully that sounds good to you guys. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm coming back on camera now. I'm about to cut up this papaya, because this is gonna be the fruit I'm gonna have. I got some yogurt in the refrigerator. I'll probably do some hummus and some crackers. But anyway, let's talk about the papaya. Protein and fiber, okay? So let's go ahead and cut it up on camera. So as I'm cutting this papaya, please know that papaya has proteins. It has carbs, it has vitamin A, it has vitamin C, it also has folate, and it also has potassium. So good source of protein. Well, I wouldn't say protein, but let's just say potassium is a big thing. And hey, I'll let you know this can be a good laxative, so careful when you're eating it. Other than that, look at this papaya. It looks so good, right? This papaya is sweet. It's good. It's not sweet, but what's it? Papaya kind of reminds me of like a cantaloupe. It's a soft textured fruit, and not too sweet at all, but just right. Good stuff. Okay, so I'm done. So let me show y'all what I made. Remember, most of this stuff, not most of it, some of it was in the refrigerator. Just trying, like I said earlier, not to throw things away, and make do. And then when I went to the store, I grabbed some things and found some clearance stuff and was like, I can make that for lunch. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you all. I made 1, 2, 3 meals, 4. I'll show you guys. Hang tight. Okay, so here's one of the meals, which is the salmon. You guys did not see me make that on camera because I made it yesterday and then just put it in the fridge. All right, and I did sweet potatoes today, and then I added the arugula, so that's a meal. I took the my camera seems like it's just it's not aiming right. No. I took the broccoli and the cauliflower that was in that pack that I paid 99 cents for, and made a broccoli and cauliflower soup. I put some smoked Gouda, which is Miyoko's brand, a vegan cheese. That's really good. So I made the tacos, which is so good. And my shells, remember, are freezer burnt, so I'm just going to use these because I have these instead of wasting them. And then I made some orzo. Orzo is a pasta. And I put a little bit of salt, added a little bit of vegan butter. And then I have some sardines. Sorry. So yeah, so I have some sardines. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and then when I'm ready to take it for lunch, I'll open the sardines and just put it on top. And then you all see the yogurt. So this is literally 4 days of food. The kite heel, which is a key lime. There's a vanilla, which was from last week. And then this one was from last week as well. This coconut dairy alternative. So I think it's Oi, maybe, by Yoplait. These are really good. I like these. So yeah, and then let me see what else. And then as a snack, I got some cauliflower bites, which were $1.99. I got some almond nut thins and a big thing of hummus. And then also I have this avocado that's gonna go with my my little mini street tacos, if you will, because it's not a street taco, but the shell is called a street taco. But anyway, so then I'm just gonna cut up some avocado, but that's like pretty much it.